Hello and welcome to your channel, Learn Project Management on YouTube, the easy channel that will give educations easy and fast for free. Today our lectures is about how to share your screen on Facebook Live in 3 steps, very easy and very short. Okay, so number one, you have to go to your browsers and you download OBS. Okay, so you're gonna make obsproject.com. If you have Windows, you can install for Windows. If you have Mac or others, you can download the software. It is free. So step number one, download OBS. Step number two, you open your Facebook page and then you will go to here live video. Okay, and you will choose connect. And you will find here stream key. You will copy the stream key, copy. Okay, and you can write here your lectures, lecture number 1, by the way. Okay, and you add any titles, by the way, Primavera P6. We are not live yet, so now we copy the stream key, we open here connect, and then we'll go. After you download the OBS, you will have the screen like that, and you will see on the right side here control, start streaming, start recording, studio mode, the one we have it like that, and then you will have setting. You have to go to setting, and then you will find stream key here. Okay, this is the important part. You're gonna choose from Facebook Live, and I will do another lecture here for other software or YouTube. Okay, default, and then you will add the stream key that you have got from Facebook, show, and then apply, and okay. So now you got the stream key and you can now connect the two programs together. After you add the stream key to the setting, you will find here on the left side screens or themes. You can add, by the way, I call whatever you want. You can call it, by the way, Primavera if I need to add Primavera. Okay. Now you have the Primavera, and then you can go here and you took window captures. Okay, you call whatever you want, keep it as a default, and I will go and choose my Primavera. Okay, and I go here for the window, I choose my Primavera, I will make OK, and you can go to the studio mode on the right side here. You will find the last one, studio mode. You can see, by the way, here preview. This is what you can see on the right side, the program. This is what the audience can see in your screen. Okay, this is the transitions. Once you do that, you do start streaming. Okay, you can see now that the streaming is going on, and after that you will go to the Facebook here and make go live. I don't like to make it live right now. I can choose from here, okay, to share on my timeline, to group or event or whatever you want, and here for public or myself, okay, or friend. I need to do only myself, and I will make go live. So now the recording is happening and your lecture is going to appear and the audience can see you. So it is very easy, very soft, and the steps is nice. So I'm going to make it also in Arabic for the benefit of everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in the next lectures in the fantastic Learn Project Management channel that will give educations and lessons will solve complex problems in all industry. Thank you. Don't forget to share this video and share all our content and subscribe to get all the new content. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next lectures.